Your credit card debt is $5,000. You pay the minimum every month. You think you're in control. You're not in control of anything. Here's the math your bank will never show you. This debt will stretch out for nearly 24 years and end up costing you over $10,000 in interest alone. I'm going to show you exactly how that happens and how to get out in a couple of years instead of 24. 3 things you'll learn: why the minimum payment is a trap, not a lifeline, the exact math on your numbers, and a plan that kills this debt in under 2 years instead of 24. When that credit card statement lands, where do your eyes go? Straight to the minimum payment. It looks small. It feels safe. That's not an accident. It's called anchoring. The bank deliberately shows you a small number so it feels like a reasonable choice. But here's what they don't print in bold. The minimum payment isn't a plan to get out of debt. It's a plan to stay in debt. It's like treading water. You're not sinking, but you're not getting any closer to shore either. Here's the brutal math. And this one's actually calculated, not guessed. $5,000 in debt at 21% APR, a common rate for credit cards. The minimum payment is 2.5% of the balance, so about $125. Out of that $125, 87 goes straight to the bank as interest. Only 38 actually pays down your debt. And it gets worse. The minimum payment is tied to your balance. As the balance drops, so does the payment. The bank is literally asking for less money every month, stretching the debt out even longer. The result, nearly 24 years to pay off $5,000. Over those nearly 24 years, you won't just pay back $5,000, you'll pay more than $10,000 in interest alone. Your $5,000 becomes over $15,000, 3 times the original amount. This isn't an accident, it's the business model. Credit card companies collect over $100 billion a year in interest and fees alone. Your debt is their profit. If this math is making you angry, good, it should be. Before I show you how to break out of this trap, hit subscribe. Next up is the plan that actually works. So how do you escape this nearly 24-year trap? You rewrite the rules. Forget the minimum payment exists. What if you paid a fixed amount instead, say $300 every month, no matter what the bank tells you to pay? That nearly 24-year sentence collapses to 20 months. The interest drops from $10,068 to just $963. You save over 20 years of payments and more than $9,000. The most powerful tool here is the debt avalanche method. Pay the minimum on every debt to stay current, then throw every extra dollar you can find at the debt with the highest interest rate. Once that one's gone, redirect all that money to the next highest rate debt. This is mathematically the fastest way out. The bank is counting on you seeing the minimum payment as helpful, not as the trap it actually is. Now you know the math. Nearly 24 years and over $10,000 in interest isn't a sentence. It's just what happens if nothing changes. Paying even a little more than the minimum can save you years and thousands of dollars. If this was helpful, subscribe. We break down traps like this every week. And let me know in the comments, have you ever caught yourself paying only the minimum? You're not alone.